Here at Practical, our cleaning procedures fully adhere to and exceed government advice. All employees wash their hands thoroughly for 20 seconds before and after cleaning a vehicle. Alongside this, PPE is worn by our cleaning operatives. This includes gloves, aprons and face masks. Within each Practical location, all hard surfaces are cleaned with hot water and disinfectant and a one-use disposable cloth. We disinfect all surfaces, paying particular attention to frequently touched areas. All vehicles are thoroughly cleaned and disinfected every time for every customer. Any vehicle suspected of being used by an infected person will be left without use for 72 hours and then deep cleaned. Your safety is our priority. Thank you for choosing Practical.